Hi friends, this is Mehmood Sheikh and welcome to MySQL tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss about joins. What are joins, what are different types of joins, and how we can get the required data from different tables of a database with the help of joins. Okay, so joins are used for combining the records of one table with the records of another table with a common column present in both the tables. Okay, so there should be a common column present in both the tables with the help of which we can get the required data from different tables in a database. Okay, so MySQL offers different types of joins. Okay, so with the help of which we can perform different types of joins operations. Okay, so what are those different types of joins? Okay, here I have written it on the board. First type of join is join, or we can also call it as a inner join. And the second type is called as left join. We can also call it as left outer join. And the third one is a right join, and we can also call it as a right outer join. And the fourth one is cross join. Okay, so these are the four types of joins available in MySQL, and we will discuss each and every one of these joins in detail with the help of example. Okay, now let us discuss the first type of join, which is the inner join. Okay, in inner join, it will return the records, only those records which gets matched in both the tables. Okay, we are having two tables, one is the department and another one is the employee. Okay, so with the help of inner join, what it will do is it will return only those records which has the matching IDs in both the tables, in both employee and in department. Okay, so let us discuss this with the help of an example. Okay, so this is the diagram with the help of which we can understand what is inner join. Okay, so this is table 1 and this is table 2. Okay, and the middle section which is highlighted with the lines are the records which returns with the help of inner join. Okay, so it will return, inner join will return all the records whose IDs gets matched in both the tables. Okay, so this is how we can represent the inner join. Okay, so let us, here I'm having two tables. First one is employee and another one is department. Okay, so department is having department IDs 1, 2, 3 and department name HR, admin and accounts. And in employee table, I am having employee ID, employee name, gender and department ID. Here you can see I have taken department ID as a foreign key in my employee table, but department ID is a primary key in this department table. And with the help of this department ID, I am able to get the records from both these tables. Okay, so department ID is the foreign key, and we already know foreign keys are used for making relation or combining two tables. With the help of foreign keys, we can get the related data. Okay, so according to the inner join definition, it will return only those records which has the matching IDs in both the tables, both in employee and in department. Okay, so now you can see with the help of inner join, it will return only those employee name, gender and department name which has this department ID in this employee table also. Okay, here we can see department 1 is present, department 1, department 2, 3. Okay, one this first record, second record, this fourth record and fifth record, and then a sixth record, eighth and ninth, 10th and 11th. Okay, except record number third and record number 7. Okay, except these third and seventh record, it will return all the other records, because all the other records are having the matching IDs of department ID with the department IDs in department table. Okay, so it will return records like this Anil, okay, this one, and Suraj, here it is, and then David, this one, and then Martha, this one, Akash, here it is, okay, Pooja, and then Pooja, Aditi, Akshay, and Michael, and then Michael. Okay, so it will return all the records which has the matching IDs in the department table also. Okay, so it will return, it will not return those records which doesn't has the matching department ID in department table. Okay, so for that we can see here we are having two records, first record and second record. Okay, so for these two records we don't have the department ID 4. We don't have department ID 4 inside our department table. That's why it's not it will not return these two records as a result set. Okay, so I hope you understood. Inner join will return only those records which has the matching ID in both the tables, in both employee and in departments. So inner join will return all the other records except record 3 and record 4, because for record 3 the department ID is 4 and the department 4 is not present inside the department table, and for the record the employee ID 7 the department ID is 4 again, and the department ID 4 is not present inside the department table. That's why it has not returned these two records 3 and 7, except employee ID 3 and 7, record 3 and 7 it has returned everything else, because all the other records except 3 and 7 has the matching ID with the department ID field in department table. Okay, so that is what inner join is all about. Okay, inner join will return only those records which has the matching ID in both the tables, in both employee and in department. Okay, I hope you understood what is inner join. Okay, and next we will be discussing the outer join or left outer join. For inner join we will write the query like this. Okay, so we'll start from select, and then we need to mention whatever fields we want as a result set. We want select employee name, I want employee name, gender and department name. Okay, employee name will come from employee table, gender will come from gender table, and department name will come from the department table. From employee we need to use the first table, or we need to refer the first table which is employee, and then we need to use a keyword join. Okay, join department, we need to join the table with department, and then we need to use on, we need to mention on which fields, what are those common columns with which we want to join our tables. Okay, our common columns is department ID which is present in both the tables. Okay, so we need to join our both the tables with this common column which is department ID. Okay, on employee dot department ID is equals to department dot department ID. Okay, so it will match both the tables common column, and it will return the records based on the join type of join. Okay, so here we have used join. We can also change it to inner join. Okay, so if you have used only join, you can get this result. Okay, if you have used inner join, then also you will get the same result. Okay, so this is how you can write a query for selecting the records based on inner join. Okay, now let us discuss the second type of join, which is the left join or left outer join. Left join will return all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. Okay, so we are having two tables. One is employee is the left table, and the department is the right table. Okay, so this is how we can represent the left join or left outer join with this diagram. Okay, so this is the left table which is the employee, and this is the right table which is the department. So according to the left join or left outer join, it will return all the records from the left side table and all the matching records from the right table which is from department. Okay, so we are having two tables, as I already said, employee which is the left table and the department table which is the right table. Okay, so here you can see this is the employee table and this is the department table. Okay, so with the help of left join or left outer join, we will get all the records from the left table. We will get all the records from the left table which is from the employee, and the matching records from the right table. Okay, so in this we will get records 1 2 4 5 6 8 9 10 11. Okay, we will get all these matching records. Okay, all these matching records from the left table along with these unmatched tables which is 3 and 7. For these 3 and 4 records, we don't have the department ID in department table. Okay, so instead of that, we will get all these records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. Okay, these are the matched records which are present inside the right table, which is the department table. We will get all these records, and along with these records, we will get unmatched records also, which are from the left table, which is employee. Okay, so we'll get the output like this. Okay, we'll get records like this: Anil, Suraj, David, Martha, Akash, Pooja, Aditi, Akshay. Okay, and Michael. Okay, for these many records till here, these are the matched records. For these many records we will find the department ID in both the tables, okay. But for these records we will not find, we don't have any department for these many users. For Poonam and for Rohit, we don't have any department for these two records, because these two records are having the department ID 4, and we don't have any department with the department ID 4 inside our department table, okay. So that is how left outer join works, okay. It will return all the records from the left table, okay. So it has returned all the records from the left table. This is employee is the left table, that's why it has returned all the records from the left table and matched records from the right table, okay. This department table is the right table and it has returned all the matched records from the department table, okay. And these are the, you can see for these two records we are not having any department, because Poonam is the ID department employee ID 3 and employee ID 7. They have the department ID 4, which is not present inside department table, okay. I hope you understood this about in a left outer join, okay. So next we will discuss about the right join or right outer join. Okay, for left outer join, we can write the query like this, okay. We need to start from the select clause and then we need to mention the fields or the columns that we want as a result set. I want employee name, gender and department name, okay. And then we need to use from, and then we need to mention the tables employee, and then we need to join, type of join, which type of join we want to use. I want to use left join department on employee dot department ID equals to department dot department ID, okay. We need to match with those common columns that are present in both the tables in employee and in department, okay. So here I have chosen the left join. Now when I use the left join as a type of the join, with this I will get the result like this, okay. So it will return all the records from the left table and it will return only the matched records from the right table, as I have discussed while explaining the left join, okay. So I can change this left join to left outer join as well, okay. If you use left outer join, you will get the same result, okay. In both the cases, if you have used left join or left outer join, you will get the same results, okay. So this is how you can write the query for left join or left outer join, okay. Now let us discuss the third type of join, which is the right join or right outer join. Right join or right outer join will return all the records from the right table, which is department, and only the matched records from the left table, which is employee, okay. Here I have drawn a diagram of right join or right outer join. Here you can see this is the right table, which is the department, and from department table all the records will get returned. This is the left table, which is employee table, and from employee table only those records get returned who's having the matched ID in the department table, okay. So with the output you can see a right join or right outer join will return all the records from the department table and only the matched records from the employee table, okay. So here you can see for all these records from this to Poonam, all these records are having their matching ID inside the department table, okay. And this only other department will not having the matching ID in the employee table, okay. So according to our definition of right join or right outer join, it will return only those records from the left table who's having the matching ID inside the department table, but or it will return all the records from the right table, which is the department table, okay. And the way we can write our query for the right join is like that. We need to start from select, and then we need to mention the fields we need to get from the table, emp name, gender, and then department name, and then we need to use from clause, and then we need to mention the first table, which is employee, and then right join, and then we need to mention the second table, which is the department, and then we need to use on employee dot department ID equals to department dot department ID. We need to we need to join both the tables based on the common column present in both the tables, which is department ID. Okay, here I have you written a right join. Okay, instead of this, if you have written right join, you will get this result. If you have written right outer join, okay, right, if you have written right outer join, then also you will get the same output. Okay, so this is everything about right join or right outer join. In our next video we will discuss cross join. Okay, now let us discuss the fourth type of join, which is cross join or full outer join. In cross join or full outer join, what happens is it will multiply each and every employee with each and every department. Okay, so it will give you a Cartesian product of both the tables. Now suppose there are 10 employees and 4 departments. Now it will multiply each and every employee with each and every department, and it will give you 40 records. It will return the 40 records by multiplying each and every employee with each and every department. This is how we can represent full outer join or cross join. Okay, so and the way we can write the query for full outer join or cross join is the same way what we had done for the last join. Okay, so we need to start select employee name, gender, and then department name, and then we need to use from clause, and then we need to mention the first table, which is employee, and then we need to mention cross join. This is the type of join. Instead of cross join, if you use full outer join, it will be same. Okay, then department and on employee dot department ID and equals to department dot department ID. We need to match with a common column which is present in both the tables, which is department ID. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you get some information on what is join, what are different types of join, and what each and every join is all about. If you like this video, click on subscribe button, then click on like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, first click on subscribe. And those who have already subscribed to our channel, I would request them, those guys, to click on the bell icon as well. If you click on the bell icon, then only you will be getting the updates of my upcoming uploaded videos. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video of this MySQL tutorial series. Thanks for watching.